Hello student, today in the continuation of function chapter, we will study about the types of function. And before the types of function, I hope you have gone through definition of function and domain of function and range of function. If you have not gone through, you can go through a link I am sharing here. So definition of function you can go through, and then domain of the function you can go through, and then the next one is the range of function. So once you are done with these three topics, then you can move to current topic, that is type of function. In this function, this is very important concept, because in this video we will basically cover all type of function which will be used in class 11th, class 12th, or in the preparation of JEE. So this session will cover all kind of function. Okay, let's start with the today's topic. So today's topic is type of function. It's a overview kind of thing. So essentially function is divided into two categories. First one is called algebraic, and second one is called transcendental. Then algebraic is again classified in few categories. So I am going to state one by one. The first one is called polynomial function. Then second is called your rational function. Third is called irrational function. And then we have piecewise function. Each one of them is further classified into further category. So like polynomial, we have constant function. Then we have identity function. Then we have a square function. We have cube function. Okay. In the rational function, you can say mainly it's the first category you can say that is called reciprocal, and we will cover some more when we'll go into detail of this rational function. In the irrational function, that is called a square root function. Square root. You can have a cube root function. Okay, the piecewise is classified into essentially 5 categories. So first one is called your modulus function. The second is called your signum function. Then we have greatest integer function. Greatest integer function, that is called GIF. And then we have smallest integer function. And then we have fractional part of function. So all the algebraic type of function is covered in this classification. In the transcendental, we have essentially the first one is your trigonometric function. Trigonometric function. So in the trigonometric, we have like sine function, we have cos function, we have tan function, and tan then we have cot, cos we have sec, and sine we have cosec. In the second category, it's an inverse trigonometric function. Okay, again in this category we have like sine inverse, we have cos inverse, we have tan inverse, and then we have cosec inverse, we have sec inverse, and we have cot inverse. The third category is your exponential function, and the last one is your logarithmic. Function. So if you understand all these functions starting with algebraic to transcendental, then basically you are done with all kind of function which will be covered during the class 11th, 12th and JEE preparation. So you can note down this chart. This is very important, and then we will go through one by one each category of function, and we'll study about how that function behave, what is the domain, what is the range, how does the graph look, what is the solution, what is the asymptotes. There are many things you can find out from the graph itself. So we will plot each and every one by one. Okay, you can note down this one.